What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, we're going to talk about the 8 shoes you need for this fall. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Centeno J85, salute. Now, with fall being a transitional season from hot weather to cold weather, you're gonna have a variety of situations you find yourself in, style-wise. And you wanna be prepared for these different situations with the right footwear to get you through. So that's what I have for you on today's video. I've got dress shoes, I've got boots, sneakers, and everything in between that'll have you covered no matter what situation you find yourself in this fall. So without further ado, let's get to the 8 shoes I think you need to be prepared for the fall season. First up, let's talk about what I think might be the ultimate fall shoe and one you can wear in a variety of situations. I'm talking about that Chukka Boot. Now to me, the Chukka Boot just screams fall. It's rugged, masculine, and super duper versatile. Wear it with your chinos, wear it with your jeans, throw it on with trousers. And to me, you can wear it in a variety of situations. Whether you're just hanging out, whether you got a date, going to the movies, the Chukka Boot has it covered. Especially if you wear a classic like a Clark's Original Desert Boot, you got a fall shoe that you can wear this year and every fall. Now let's talk about what to me is the ultimate fall dress shoe. None other than the Brogue, or specifically to me, a brown wingtip. Now what I really love about the fall for a brown wingtip slash Brogue, the variety and the way it fits into the fall colors. This is the dress shoe you can wear with jeans. You can wear with a suit. Throw it on with your trousers. This one not too stuffy, but still dressy enough to get you through almost any occasion below semi-formal. Of course, I'm always stressing to you guys, I love a brown dress shoe. Much more versatile than your black. So hands down, without a doubt, a versatile fall dress shoe, that brown Brogue or wingtip. Now there are those times when you're gonna need a black dress shoe. And to me, the one to pick for the fall that'll have you in most of your dressier situations, but still more versatile, I would go with a black derby. A black derby is a little less formal than your Oxford, so it's easier to dress down, but you still rock it with almost any suit. Whether it's a job interview, funeral, wedding, you can get away with the black derby. So when you need a black dress shoe and you need a little bit of versatility, I suggest you have that black derby in your fall wardrobe. Now, of course, this isn't all about my opinion. Let me know in the comment section what your go-to fall shoes are. Now, of course, a man can't survive on a fall shoe wardrobe consisting only of shoes. We gotta have some sneakers. And to me, the most versatile, and you definitely wanna have, an all-white minimal sneaker. Now, once again, because it's the fall, we wanna stress versatility. And nothing more versatile than the all-white sneaker. The easiest one to dress up and dress down. Wear it with your chinos, your jeans, your trousers, and for you more adventurous, stylish guys, this is the sneaker to rock with a suit. I'm always stressing how important an all-white sneaker is, and it's just as important and versatile in the fall. Now, because it's the fall and you're gonna have unpredictable weather and climate, I suggest you have something waterproof but stylish at the same time. I vote for a waterproof duck boot. Now, this is that classic boot that'll keep your foot warm, dry, but doing it in a fly, stylish way. I highly suggest you either go with the Sorel boot or my personal favorite, the LL Bean duck boot. Don't want to get caught out there with wet feet, but still want to look fly? Go ahead and grab a duck boot for the fall. Next up, we have a shoe that I think a lot of you guys out there are sleeping on. Versatile, rugged, but still dressy. Of course, I'm talking about that dress boot. The great thing about the dress boot, it allows you to have a dressy look, but still some ruggedness and masculinity at the same time. The dress boot is essentially a dress shoe in boot style. So whether you want a cap toe look, a wing toe look, whatever type dress shoe you can think of, there's a dress boot equivalent. But the great thing about the dress boot, it makes your pants rise up a little bit, protecting it from inclement weather, and it just gives you that rugged boot look. The best of both worlds, a dress shoe and the boot. Hands down, a slept-on shoe that I think you should add to your fall shoe rotation. Next up in my lineup of the 8 shoes you need for the fall, I think you need a classic sneaker, specifically a high top, either like an Air Jordan 1 or a pair of Chucks. What I love about a classic high top You know it's gonna be around this fall and every fall, and I think it's a great look to wear with all the jeans you're gonna rock during the fall. And the minimal look of either the Chuck or the Jordan 1, easy to pair with a lot of different outfits. High tops just give you a little bit more coverage as opposed to a low top when that temperature starts to drop. So whether you choose between something like maybe a Vans Skate High, the Jordan 1, or a Chuck, I definitely think you should add a high top classic sneaker to your fall rotation. And last but certainly not least on my list, for the 8 shoes I think every guy needs in his fall rotation, we're gonna add some sex appeal in a shoe that's become a staple the last few years in a lot of stylish guys' wardrobes. I'm talking about that Chelsea boot. Now, like I said, this is a shoe to throw on when you add a little stylishness, a little edginess, and some sex appeal. A super dope shoe to rock with those jeans, giving you a classy but edgier look than the rest of your shoes. I'm particularly fond of a tan suede Chelsea boot, but you can go leather, you can go with a darker color. But if you want your fall shoe rotation to have a little edge, a little more sex appeal, don't hesitate to add a Chelsea boot. Okay, so there you have it. My picks for the 8 shoes I think you need in your fall shoe rotation. Of course, don't forget to let me know in the comment section what shoes you like to rock in the fall. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.